guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. If you like what you see, please feel free to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on all the new videos that come onto the channel. So today we are doing Hasegawa Hale's model kit catalogue from the 1980s. I believe it's 1981, 1982. There isn't a date, but we kind of grasp by what we can see in the catalogue what year it was. If you've not been here before, basically what I do is I film these in high definition. So what you need to do is go to your cog settings, click quality, and then click 1080p if you can get up that high. And also view it in full screen so you can see this page by page. If there's anything you fancy, or something catches your eye, just click that pause button, have a good look, and then continue watching the video. Anyways, I've explained everything now, so let's get into this. The Hasegawa Hale's The Collector's Choice Model Kit Catalogue from the 1980s. Enjoy. So, did you enjoy that? There are some really classics in here. Just to go back here to the new series, who remembers doing the MB series? MB001, the Willys Jeep there, the M2 gun, the medium tank Lee Mark 1. Do you remember doing that one? I do. It's some, you know, I've just seen this now as it's a brand new series, so all these have become a bit of a staple. If you go out there and you can see these quite cheap. The 1:72 scales are not 1/76, but they're really good, as it says here, for war games enthusiasts. Going back through, there wasn't a lot really. I think they were just starting off. So you've got some nice 1:32 there, the Curtis. And if you've built any of these, why don't you put them in the comments below? I always reply to comments. Anyways, that there is the Hasegawa Hale's 1980s model kit catalogue. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.